Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to explore one of the most insightful tools for understanding market volatility or the market activity. Okay, and the particular tool that we are going to be looking at is the fixed range volume profile. Okay, so it's actually the fixed range volume profile is actually an insightful tool for understanding market activity, and that is what we are going to be looking at in this particular video. So we're just going to search for the volume profile indicator right here on TradingView, and we're going to be selecting the fixed range volume profile because that is the volume profile indicator that we want to look at. As you can see, there are several kinds of volume profile indicators. There is the session volume profile, the periodic volume profile, the auto anchored volume profile, and the visible range volume profile. Okay, then the fixed range volume profile, obviously. So it's the fixed range volume profile that we're going to be discussing. So the fixed range volume profile is a charting tool that displays the amount of trading volume at each price level over a chosen time period. So unlike standard volume indicators that show volume by time only, all right, so this is actually an image. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to load a volume indicator. We want to just briefly look at the difference. Okay, so the volume indicator shows us volumes by time, right? As you can see, at different times you're going to see volumes, all right, for that particular asset. But the fixed range profile shows volume by price. Can you see that? You can see the references. You can see the volume at each given price, all right, highlighting where traders are most active. So now, using this tool helps traders identify key market levels, such as areas of high interest where price may pause or reverse, called high volume nodes. All right. Low volume nodes indicate areas of less trading activity, often representing price gaps or breakout zones. Understanding these levels can improve your market timing and technical analysis. So, if you want to set up the fixed range volume profile on TradingView, okay, specifically on TradingView, then you are going to need the pro version of TradingView, because as you can see, the fixed range volume profile is not available on the basic plan, all right, but it is available on the premium. Okay, so if you want to make use of this, you will need the premium version. All right, so but if you are not using TradingView, if you are using another platform that offers the fixed range volume profile, then that's absolutely great. So first of all, of course, you need to choose your trading platform. You open a chart of the asset that you want to analyze. You select the fixed range volume profile tool. Then you highlight the specific time period or price range that you want to study. Okay, then you observe the volume distribution to see high and low activity areas. Now, high volume nodes indicate strong interest from buyers and sellers. These are often areas of support or resistance. Okay. Then you have low volume nodes that suggest, price may move quickly through these levels, right? Where the volume low volume nodes are, you might see price move swiftly through those levels, while the high volume nodes are areas where price may find difficult to pass through. All right. So breakouts may easily happen around low volume nodes. Okay, by recognizing both the high volume nodes and the low volume nodes, traders can plan their entries and exits more effectively. So now I'm just going to be giving you a few practical tips, when making use of the fixed range volume profile. All right. You need to combine your volume profile analysis with trend analysis for better accuracy. This is one. This is the first tip. It's important that you do not neglect the trend. Okay, always trade in the direction of the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay, other strategies and other tools and indicators should be used in support of the prevailing trend if you are aiming to capture long-term moves. If you want to make a lot of profit without stressing yourself scalping, yeah, because as a scalper you can be catching a lot of short-term moves, right? But if you want to make a lot of profit without stressing yourself scalping, then you want to aim for riding trends, right? So combine your volume profile analysis with trend analysis for better accuracy. Focus on recent high volume areas. This is the second point. You need to focus on recent high volume areas, as they are more relevant to current market conditions. All right. You can see, for example, you can see this particular high volume area now. You can see how it was acting as a resistance to price. You can see this rejection here, right? So you need to focus on high volume areas, especially the recent ones, because they are more relevant to current market conditions. Then, very, very importantly, use a demo account to practice identifying high and low volume nodes before applying them in live trading. All right. So by understanding and using a fixed range volume profile, you can gain a deeper insight into market behavior and identify key levels where price is likely to react. Okay. So now this tool is essential for traders looking to enhance their technical analysis and trading strategies. If this video helped you understand fixed range volume profile, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more trading tutorials and insights. Stay informed and trade smarter. See you in the next video.